How to install PUBG Mobile on PC. So first of all, you have to open your web browser and search for Gameloop, and then you have to click on the official website of the Gameloop and click on download. And after clicking on download, you just have to uh, install the Gameloop software on your PC. As you can see, it started downloading the Gameloop, and after uh, the Gameloop software is downloaded, you can just see the you can just see the PUBG Mobile app, and you just have to simply click on that and download it, and that's it. That's how you can install PUBG Mobile PC uh, on your PC and play the PUBG Mobile on your PC. And you can also install some other Android apps or games on this Gameloop software. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.